In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to add product reviews to your Shopify store. Follow along until the end so you do not miss any steps. First, sign in to your Shopify store. If you do not already have one, I have left a link in the description below where you can register for Shopify and get 3 months for only $1. Once you're inside your Shopify store, make sure you already have at least one product added. To add reviews, we need to install a product review app. For this tutorial, I will be using Judge.me because it has a free plan and is easy to set up. Go to the Apps section of Shopify and search for Judge.me. Click on it, install the app, and grant the necessary permissions. After installation, go through the setup process. Choose your language, select your theme, and start the setup. Shopify will take you into the editor where you can enable the Judge.me widgets. Make sure to save the changes after enabling them. Now go to one of your product pages and edit it. Scroll down and you should see the reviews section already added. If you want, you can customize where the star rating appears. For example, you can place it above the price, below the price, or anywhere else that fits your design. Next, let's add a review to test it. Inside the Judge.me app, go to Manage Reviews and select your product. Here, you can either import reviews, request reviews from customers, or add them manually. For this example, I will add one manually. Choose a star rating, write a review, and if you want, you can also upload a photo or video. Add the customer's name and email, then submit the review. Go back to your Shopify product page and reload it. You should now see the review displayed under your product. The star rating will also appear near the product title or price, depending on where you placed it. That is how you can add reviews to your Shopify store. You can collect more reviews as you get sales or import them from other sources. Adding reviews builds trust with your customers and helps increase sales. If you want to try Shopify, check the link in the description below to register. You will get 3 months for just $1. Thanks for watching.